Hey guys, crypto episode 57. So I'm recording this on Thursday as well because I'm away for the weekend. So God knows what'll happen by Sunday. But this is where we are on Thursday, down about 1,000, which doesn't show the sort of real change much at all. So it's sort of been down to 212 during the week in just a few days, and back up to sort of where we are now. So just having a quick look at the news. So the Ethereum hard fork is now live. So this is sort of a lot of people are mistakenly calling this Ethereum 2.0, which it isn't. That's probably due sort of Easter later next year. This is sort of a smaller change. 5 different sort of proposals have been put into this fork, but the big one everyone's talking about is 1559, which introduces a burning part of the fee, as sort of every transaction will now burn part of the fee. So essentially, sort of the more transactions that there are on Ethereum now, it's reducing the supply ever so slightly. And this fork also is sort of adjusting the block size. It's making that adjustable, so just allows more sort of transactions to go through when it needs to. Should improve fees, which have been a bit rough in the sort of very bullish busy times. People have been paying sort of £20-30 to send a small amount of Ethereum, which is a bit ridiculous. So yeah, this fork improves that as well, and a few sort of minor quality of life improvements. So yeah, a lot of people are very, very bullish on that now. And interesting, just a small sort of bit of news I thought, but potential new bill allowing, it's only a draft bill at the moment, but potentially allowing the Spanish to pay their mortgage in crypto, which I didn't realise Spain were sort of quite so crypto friendly, really. I know Portugal are, but yeah, interesting one. It's sort of adoption at government level is always good. You would think if sort of government level comes first, then it would trickle down to businesses and various other things. So pretty good, rather than sort of coming just from businesses and then having to try and fight their way through government regulation. This is always good. So yeah, just having a quick look at the portfolio. Obviously being £1,000 down, it's not exactly changed a huge amount. Put it on the 3-day because it's really sort of only the last 3 days since Monday, just sort of after the video was done. So Bitcoin not really moved too much. Ethereum back above £2,000, pretty good. 6% on the last sort of 3 or 4 days. Cardano sort of 4%, slightly underperforming. Litecoin very, very flat. That's not doing quite so well. OMG's flat as well. I think a lot of the altcoins will wait for Bitcoin's move before going. XRP's down slightly. XLM is pretty flat. So yeah, it really is just sort of Bitcoin and Ethereum amongst the larger coins that are doing their thing. And then you go down to sort of the smaller stuff. TRON 7% up, pretty good on the week. Basic attention token, couple of percent. EOS, couple of percent as well. Power Ledger, 9% up. Very volatile at the moment. Power Ledger. Dash, pretty flat. Cocos actually been sort of up and down a little bit, but 2.5%. Band Protocol, 9.8%, pretty good. I haven't added anything this week, a little bit short on funds, but yeah, hopefully, not sure whether I'll add anything more to the crypto at the moment. If we're going to make a bigger push now, it'll be back to stocks probably. Internet computer pretty flat for the week. Anchor's down quite a bit, but sort of had a fair rise last week, so fine with that. New Cipher up 4% and Quanstamp up 4% as well. So yeah, Coco's obviously gone to the bottom of there. So yeah, we're still at just under 233 now. But yeah, leave your thoughts in the comments below, and like and subscribe. See you soon.